we're Lehnig. We're going to start off a little bit of music. No, and I'm not your dad, in case you were wondering. This first song's about a man with bad circumstances and ended up a bad person in the process. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. My name is Joe, and I'm a mining man. Never found my fortune except with a gun in my hand. Spent 10 long years digging the cold, hard ground for $15 from the gold dust I found. I've got gold, I've got a dead man's ring. I've got treasures and a reason to sing. Spent 10 long years digging the cold, hard ground for $15 from the gold dust I'd found. I've got a woman up in San Francisco. Well, she's so pretty, she dances in the third show. Tells me she loves me, but I don't really care. Like the smell of her perfume and the color of her hair. I've got cold, I've got a dead man's ring. And I've got treasures and a reason to sing. Spent 10 long years digging the cold, hard ground for $15 from the gold dust I'd found. Someone shoots me down. first man I killed was just 17. He looked like money and I wanted his felicity. I was so hungry, down on my luck. He drew first, I shot him when I ducked. Now I've got gold, I've got a dead man's ring. Now I've got treasures and a reason to sing. And 10 long years digging the cold, hard ground for $15 from the gold dust I found. This a fine life I live until someone shoots me down. Ah, damn, ain't this a fine life I live? Thank you for the appreciation. This next song is an interesting song. I wrote this as a way of apology. They call this song the Denny's Incident, and I'll explain that in a minute. What happened is I had gone to a restaurant with my lovely wife, and a woman with a very low-cut affair sat down next to me, and of course I looked, and the result was a lot of trouble. So we call this one, I Got a Good Thing. Ask me lately, baby, what's wrong with you? You've been asking me lately, baby, what's wrong with you? Well, I can tell you, honey, it's got nothing to do with you. The woman filling my daydreams and my night ones too. The woman filled my daydream, and she's been stepping on my night ones too. I can tell you, honey, there ain't nothing I'm gonna do, 'cause I love you, baby. I got a good thing. I got a good thing. I got a good thing. What has a man my age act like he do? Stomping around here, baby, acting like a fool. Whiskey, beer, and lust is a young man's tool. I tell you, baby, is that I do love you. All right. I got a good thing. I got a good thing. I got a good thing. We've been on some hard roads, baby. Ain't we been though? We've been down some good ones and we made it on through. I can tell you, honey, that I'm gonna stay with you. got a good thing. I got a good thing. I got a good thing. You've been asking me, baby, 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 what's wrong with you? You've been asking me lately, baby, baby, what's wrong with you? I can tell you, honey, is that I do love you. I ain't no fool. I got a good thing. I got a good thing. All right. I hope she's forgiven me. This one's kind of a self-indulgent retrospective song. Introspective piece. I've been doing some time thinking about the way I'm doing life. Dragons in the dark places, shadows in the night. I've been looking for the easy path when there's no movement in the strife. One night it seemed to go on forever. I wondered at this woman's love I took. She's my treasure, my special angel. It's useless fantasies that have me shook. Lord, make me a better man. I wish there was some quicker escalator to the Astor room where the books are read. Heaven's catalog to show me all the ways that light my path or explain those skins I've shed. There's no excuse for the sleazy dances, no room for the shadow dances. Just a kiss to bring me back from depression. A warrior looking for Eden, given half a chance. Lord, make me a better man. Can't overcome a lifetime of addiction or make it over overnight. Just the gentle ways I have to sing my songs make me think I'm right. There ain't no genie in the bottle. There ain't no magic in the snuff. Just the answers in the day-to-day living. Hard reality covered up with fluff. Lord, make me a better man. I've been doing some time thinking more about the way I'm doing life. There's dragons in the dark places and shadows in the light. I know I'm looking for some easy path when there's more movement in the strife. Lord, make me a better man. Lord, make me a better man. Lord, make me a better man. Thank you very much. This is a song about relationships. If you know something about those things. You know, it's kind of like when I was a single man. If I met somebody that I sort of liked, it was pretty easy to be with them. If you found somebody you really liked, really wanted to be with, it sort of got different somehow, distinct, like scary, like upsetting, I don't know, compulsive somehow, I don't know. So this one's called Twirly Feeling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, now! I got a twirly feeling midnight. I got a twirly up and down my spine. Got a dreams like a Stevie King. I gotta get it in line. Got me thinking about werewolves or some freaked out vampire line. Got me thinking by the sight of sound. I think I'm losing my mind. Something about the way you look when you look at me. You know you scare me so. I think you're in love with me. You got those scary eyes and those two wet lips and those sexy hips and the way you move and you walk right up to me. And you talk low. Attention's a scary thing. Can't figure why you want me. You got me losing sleep. Got me hopping like a Halloween, baby. This is a trick or treat. Lord, oh, Lord, oh, Lord. When you, come on, honey. God, I'm old enough to be your father. This is scaring me. I just don't understand it. Thank you. This is just me preaching. That's all I can say about this song. We all have opinions, and sometimes we just need to be heard. So that's what this one's called. This one's I Will Be Heard. Downtown with a friend distraught in a local cafe, and we were sitting around talking about how it all got fouled up somehow, some way, like it's all messed around or turned around, like we're all waiting for some lottery day. Well, 6 cups of coffee, a sandwich with no PhD, just a singer, guitar player, a minor thinker, but I've got eyes to see. Maybe it was the drugs that put us to sleep, or maybe it was the TV, but I've woke up and I'll tell you it ain't bothering you, it's bothering me. I will be heard. I will be heard. I will be heard. We all lie like rugs, we just can't keep our word. Our work's a shoddy show, done by the walk-in bar. Everybody's looking for something, but ain't nobody looking for the Lord. Everybody's getting something, but ain't nobody scored. I tell you, I will be heard. I will be heard. I will be heard. Some integrity and help if you can. It ain't about looking good at some deals with some real estate man. Maybe you don't think you care if you just don't give a damn. But I'll tell you, look around these streets. It's love that's in demand. I'll tell you, I will be heard. I will be heard. I will be Being kind, thank you. Somebody feel like that sometimes? This one you feel like, I know. This one's called I'm an Alien. And I really feel like this one. Sometimes. Heading out of town because my life's on the siege. I can't do nothing right, it's got something to do with me. I'm living in an upside down world with some distorted reality. So I'm looking all around till I find my own kind, yeah, because I'm an alien. And for my own kind, I'm an alien. On a strange mind, I'm an alien. For my own kind, cause I'm looking for a friendly world to find. All right now. The colors don't look the same. Someone changed my street. And the air don't taste the same. I can't talk to anyone I meet. When I fall down this rabbit hole, when did it all fall apart? When it all turned upside down, when did the sideshow start? There are clowns in the doorways, and the circus ain't in town. And I'm looking for a trapeze to find my way out and down. Yeah, and down, and down. Oh, no, I'm an alien. Deranged ain't no real way to be. Can't trust what I'm thinking if I can't trust what I see. Live in an upside down world with a distorted reality. If I don't know who I am, if I don't know who to be, because I'm an alien. Strange land, I'm an alien on a strange mind, and I'm an alien looking for my own kind, yeah, yeah. And I'm looking for a friendly world to find. All right now. Don't look the same, someone changed my street. And the air don't look the same, I can't talk to anyone I meet. When did I fall down this rabbit hole? When did all fall apart? When I turned upside down, when did the sideshow start? There are clowns in the doorways and the circus ain't in town. And I'm looking for trapeze to find my way out. And down, and down, and down. I don't know who I am, baby, 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 baby. I don't know who I am. I don't know what I think, yeah, 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 All right, thanks. Thank you. Next one's kind of a simple song. It's just some poetry masked in rock and roll. It's called Simple Songs. Mirror and I wonder at a single reflection, the space of a heartbeat or the road lost in any direction. Is there meaning in the hurrying and the worrying over time's benediction, or a ceremony lost without true faith or conviction? I'm lost in a world, caught up in nightmare dreams. Ethical giants, caught up in the silliest schemes. For all I know, it really is as it seems. I just can't see what it means. Are made with some facts from the unnatural selection, holding ourselves blameless for all of life's moral infections, bouncing blindly, only seeking temporary affections, wanting the truth but relishing the complex deceptions. Caught in the world, lost in nightmare dreams. Ethical giants were caught up in the silliest schemes. All I know is really is as it seems. I just can't see what it means. You're all alone. You think our singing's all done? Whatever is done is done. Caught in the whimsy of life's so fickle fate. Communicate with your simple song. Giants caught up in the silliest schemes. For all I know, this really is as it seems. I just can't see what it means. 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 This will be our last one. We're going to take you on a little journey now with about a very, very bad man. Well, he's on the run. His name's Domino. Facing firelight, you're getting too tired to fight. 6 gun and a lonely night. Your life just ain't quite right. They're looking for you, Domino, Domino, Domino. They're gonna get you, Domino, Domino. down his schemes. $1,000 is a killer's dream. Now you're down and out, it seems, for the killing of Deacon Green. They're looking for you, Domino. They're gonna get you, Domino. Just as easy where the fear is gone. You kill more than Deacon Green. You get what you deserve, it seems. Ooh, Domino. Lehnig, lead guitar. You drums. Ken Lehnig. The band's Lehnig. Such a loveless life, deal out sorrow, pain and strife. Now you're coward, you'll have to fight. They're gonna cut you down on sight. They're looking